Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Vicky, and on this channel I share Nigerian recipe, healthy family meal, and simple cooking tips that everyone can follow. So today's recipe is one of Nigerian most loved soup, our rich flavorful and mouth-watering Riro, also known as Nigerian vegetable soup. This soup is packed with delicious meat, sauce, perfectly with any swallow of your choice. If you have been looking for the easier way to make your efferuro at home, then you are in the right place. Stay with me until the end because I will share a few simple tips that will make this soup extra tasty. Before we begin, please support this channel by liking this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell. Please, you will never miss any of this delicious recipe. Let's get cooking. Let's quickly go through everything we will be using today. So here I have some meat, my pomo well clean, my blended pepper, and my smoked fish. I also have the vegetable. I'm going to show you how I prepare it. And these are my crayfish, my onions, my curry and thyme, my blended ginger, and my Riro. Yes, so these are the list of ingredients. So I will start by adding my meat into a clean pot. Then next I will add my garlic, my seasoning, together with my curry and thyme, and adding of my garlic and ginger blended together, and my chopped onions. So after putting on the onions, I will just turn it together before adding water. So here I'm adding water because I'm not adding too much water because I want the stock to stay rich and flavorful. I will cover the pot and allow everything to cook until the meat become nice and tender. So here is a quick bonus. Here I'm showing you how I prep my veggie, because I always buy my veggie in a large quantity. As you can see, I'm washing it. I make sure I wash my veggie thoroughly because I used to buy it in a very large quantity, and I will prep it and put everything in the fridge. So anytime I want to use it, I will just pick some and prepare my soup easily without going through that stress of washing it over and over again and start cooking. So I will not disturb you with much talk. Just watch and enjoy it.
When my days on, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight. those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight.
So welcome back. So this is me checking on the meat. The meat is almost 80% done. So this is my pomo. I'm going to pour in my, so as I put on my pomo, because the pomo is soft already, so I don't have to cook it together with the meat. I have to allow the meat to cook first before putting the pomo together, to just let it just steam together, let the ingredients small just enter. That's the purpose of putting it. So I will allow the pomo and the meat to cook for 3 minutes. So here it is, everything is done. After packing everything, I bring out my clean pot. So I heat and add my palm oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add my chopped onions and fry them for about a minute until they become fragile. So I'm going to stir it for a little bit and allow it to fry for some seconds. So I'm going to add up my Riro, because I used to fry my Riro a little bit. I will add the Riro inside the oil, so I will allow it to fry for some minutes also, because that's how I like it. For during vegetable, I always add my Riro on the oil. So next I will add up my crayfish. I will add up some part of the crayfish on the oil also, and I will stir everything together. Yes, so I will allow it to fry together with the Riro, the onions and the crayfish. I will allow it to stay for some seconds. So next, the blended pepper mixture. I will add up my blended pepper mixture. I will stir everything together and allow it to cook until the excess water dry up and the oil begin to separate from the pepper. Yes, you have to make sure that the pepper is separate from the oil. So before I will allow everything to fry up, I'm adding up my seasoning, because I have already added seasoning to that meat. So I'm carefully, vegetable, any slight mistake, everything will just be too much. So I just add only one seasoning, and then add up my meat and my pomo with a little water that is on it. I just pour it inside so that it will cook together with the pepper, so that all the ingredients can enter inside. That's why I just add a little of that water. And mind you, I'm going to be sure that water dries up. The water together with the pepper, everything have to dry up. Yes, this step is very important because it develops the rich flavor of the soup. Yes. A quick apology, everyone. I just noticed that the part where I added the vegetable and the extra smoked fish didn't record properly, so I'm unable to show that step in this video. I'm really sorry about that, and thank you so much for your understanding. After the pepper sauce was well cooked, I simply added the vegetable followed by the extra smoked fish and crayfish. I stir everything together and allow it to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to overcook the vegetables so they stay fresh, green and nutrient. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I truly appreciate your support, and I will make sure future video capture every step clearly. Now let's take a look at the delicious Riro ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye bye. Thank you.